Yeah, hi friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this video. In this video, we will discuss about that how can we compress heavy size of file. Like if we have a 300 MB file, 500 MB file, 1 GB file, and we have to compress that size of file into an 100 MB under the 100 MB and whatever our requirement in that requirement we can fulfill from this project, and we will discuss the UI part as well as how can we compress the size of PDF and the code base front end and back end was thing we will discuss in this video. Before going to start, if you are new in our channel, do like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's start. Here we are going to drag and drop the file and let's click. As we will click over there, there is in a size of 342 MB size. Okay, and now you can see that it is getting upload, and over there we have a high compression less quality. If we have a requirement that high compression with a less quality, we have to choose this one. And if we have a medium compression good quality, then choose this one. And if we have a less compression high quality, size will be high but the quality will also be high. So we have another thing like the basic compression like high quality. If we have to compress the high quality, and we have a slider also that as per our requirement we can slide in that compression low DPI image. Thus the quality of the PDF will be low, the size of PDF will be also low. So we can do this one also. Strong compression and low quality. If we have to do any strong compression and with low quality, then we can choose this one also. So firstly we will go that by default if we will not choose anything, the medium will be select. So we are going to less compression high quality. So let's start. The PDF is getting compressed. Okay, so before it's going to compress, we can look into a code part. So let's see. Firstly, we will see the front end part, that this one. Like in the app, we have a router. In the home, we have this component. Okay, so there is a state. You can see based over requirement. There is a state, and we have this one JSX. This is a drag and drop, and this is an and percentage. It will show that how much it has been uploaded, and there is the drop down: high compression, medium compression, and low compression. And then we would have a selector. Okay, based on our selector we can, there's also a selector with that option that the value is screen, ebook, printer, pre-press, strong slider, and we have a button compress PDF and download PDF. Okay, and there is a function like when change is strong, then this is the function which is strong, it making a true. If it is not, making a false. And based on the value it is changing the basic. And how can we like download the PDF? This is in a blog, and from this way we can download the PDF. And this is an API endpoint. Like when we click on the compressed PDF, then this function get called, and there is an condition over there. If it is stronger, compatibility 1.3, stronger slider, then screen. Based on that our requirement, whenever we choose whatever the drop down and select box, then based on that condition it gets select. and it call in a compressed PDF file. This API it's get call, and then there is another Axios API, and then it get download. Okay, so this was the front end part. Okay, and here is another one, file upload. So you know very well how can we upload the file. This one is the file upload, and let's jump to a backend part. This is our server.js, and in this backend we have imported express for Node.js framework. We can get the MVC pattern, model view control, in this express framework, and this is a multer package which is used for uploading the file path which is already inbuilt in the Node.js child process. This is also inbuilt package and codes body parser, and we require the app from the, this is the middleware. Here it is a port, and we have a storage. Okay, and this one is in a multer, and this accept only in a PDF. Apart from that, it will give an error, throw an error. And this is the endpoint, file upload. Whenever we are uploading the file, then this time this API get call, and after that the compressed PDF. This is the main endpoint from which we will able to compress the PDF in our requirement size. So this is query body we are getting, and this is input output and the command we are using. Okay, and then there is an exact function from which we can use the external command. Okay, and this is a child process of the Node.js. And next one, this is a download PDF. So whenever it get compressed, it get download, and we have a button. We have to click on the button, then it get the compressed PDF get download. Okay, so this is in a listen. So this was the code part. So our PDF has downloaded. We can see over here, like the size of PDF is 54.2 MB. So you can say, like early we had an a 342 MB file. Now it has compressed into a size of 54.2 MB. Then you can see the quality of the image. The quality is also good. You can see over here. Okay, and when we have to compress as per our requirement, like we have to compress low in a kb we have to compress, then we can choose this one and this one also, and there is no option. From this way we will able to compress the heavy size of PDF. I hope you got something from this video. If you got something from this video, do like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.